أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. So inshallah we are starting with lesson number 14 today, and that's a new topic, فعل المضارع. And inshallah, after completing Fi'l al-Mudari, we'll move to the translation, inshallah. Whatever little bit things will be left, we will keep, doing along with our translation. But I want to start translation of the Holy Quran because I feel you have learned enough to translate a sentence, inshallah, after doing Fi'l al-Mudari. Okay. So Nashmi, what do you understand by Fi'l al-Mudari? Because we have introduced it before also.
Yes, Ms. River, it's a imperfect tense we call in English, and it is a present tense and a future tense both.
Yeah, both. So it involves both present and future.
Future, yes.
And inshallah, we will make out that how we can understand this is present here and this is future here. Inshallah, we will make.
Inshallah.
So Arabic, the Arabic verb has only 3 forms. Again, they are saying 3 forms. I have an objection here because either it is 2 or it's 4, right?
4, correct. Yes.
So Madi, Mudare, and Amr. Okay, so we have already learned about Madi. In this lesson, we shall learn Mudare and Amr. Okay, so they are including Amr also. So we will inshallah include Nahi also after that, right?
Okay, yes.
So Mudare is an imperfect verb which denotes an action which is still incomplete or was incomplete at the stated or implied time. It includes both present and future tenses. And for example, yaktubu, how we write it, yaktubu. We will see how it is made. May mean any of the following. He writes, yaktubu means he writes or he is writing or he will write. Yani present, all forms of present and future also, okay?
Okay.
So in like Madi, we have done Mudare and Majhul, remember? Active and passive. So same way, there is Mudare, Maruf and Mudare, Majhul, definitely, okay? So passive tense in Mudare.
Yes.
There are some, I think, rules or some guidelines about Fi'l al-Mudare. For Mudare, one of the 4 indicatives letter called Alamatul Mudare is prefixed with Fatha to simple verb of Al-Madi. Okay, what do I mean? That whatever Fi'l al-Madi, you are clear about that, right? Fa'ala, for example. Hai na?
Correct.
Fa'ala. So there is an addition in the beginning to make Fi'l al-Mudari. Okay, Nashmi?
Okay.
So we add prefixed. Prefix mean?
Correct.
Before. Yeah, we add something before. For example, the complete and incomplete. Hai na? This is the example of prefix in English.
Yes. Yes.
So we add something in the beginning, right?
Yes.
And so for Madi, we add something in the beginning to make it Mudare. Okay. So what are those things which we add?
will be there. Fa'ala will be there.
Root letter will be there, na? The fa and lam.
Correct.
That is the root letter. Okay.
Yes.
But we add something to that root letter. Okay. To that root word to make it Mudare. So Madi is the original form, you can say. Nothing added, no new letter is added. Whatever is the root letter, that is all Madi, right? But for Mudare, we have to add one letter. Okay. So that one letter will be either of these 4 letters. What are those 4 letters? Ya, this one, first one, this ya, or ya, second, and third is alif, and fourth is noon. So these 4 letters are the symbol of Mudare, Alamatul Mudare, and the collective name is Yatan. Just to remember, Nashmi, it does not have any meaning.
Correct. Yes, correct.
Ya, ta, alif, noon. Okay, when you learn this word Yatan, it means that you are understanding, okay, ya, ta, alif, noon, just to make you remember.
Yes.
So either of these, they all will not come together. Either of these, any one of them
Okay.
will come, and we'll see how these are coming, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So the first letter, the radical fa, the letter fa kalima. Abdurrahman, just a minute. You can take your Quran, Abdurrahman, and just revise Surah Al-Mujadila, and just Fatma, you listen from him after that. It will take 5 minutes only because you're fresh right now, alhamdulillah. Okay, yes. So, Kataba. Okay, what is the fa kalima here? Rashmi?
Yes. Kaf, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kaf.
Okay, so we
Yes.
add before kaf, right? We add before kaf.
Yes.
And then if we add before kaf, then kaf will take sukoon.
Yes.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I'm saying yak.
Yeah.
I have to join
Okay.
the previous letter with this, na, and that first letter. Okay,
Correct.
so
Yes.
this will instead of fatha, it will take sukoon. Okay,
Okay.
instead of
Yes.
fatha, it will take a sukoon. It will become
Sukoon.
sakin. Okay, first change.
Okay.
And the radical lam is to begin a dhamma. Yani last letter, this
Okay.
ba. है ना? This is lam kalima here, है ना?
Yes. Correct. Yes.
Ba. It will
Ba.
take dhamma.
Okay.
This is permanent change. Whenever you're
Okay.
going to make mudare, the last letter will be dhamma, take
Okay.
dhamma, and the first letter will be become sukoon. It will become
So it will be
sakin.
yaktabu.
Yak, yaktabu
Yaktab.
or yaktubu or yaktibu. In here
Tibu.
also we have three wazn, three
Okay.
patterns. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And one more thing, you might take it confusing or you might take it interesting, that it's not necessary that if fi'l madi take of fatha like kataba, hai na?
Yes.
Kataba. So it's not necessary that ayn kalima. When we say that there are three azan, there are three patterns for madi, remember? So where
Yes.
the changes was coming? Where the change was coming? In ayn kalima, right? Here.
Yes.
Like it is
Yes.
fa'ala or fa'ila or
Fa'ila or fa'ula.
fa'ula. So where the change was coming? On
This
ayn
is
kalima,
ayn
central
kalima.
letter.
Yes.
So whatever yani fe'le madi has the central letter, it's not necessary that mudare will also take the same.
Okay.
For example, as you said, it will be yaktabu, hai na? Because
Yes.
you did, I told you we have to put ya in the beginning and we have to
Beginning.
make kaf as
Dhamma.
sakin
Yeah.
and we have to put dhamma
Lam.
in the end. So you
Yes.
made it yaktabu, right?
Yaktabu.
But
Yes.
yeah, but unfortunately or fortunately, it is yaktabu.
Okay. Yaktubu. Okay.
So as I
Okay.
told you, the letters kataba is always kataba. It's not that sometimes it may be katiba or sometimes it's katuba, hai na? Because these are the
Yes.
pattern. They don't change the meaning.
Correct.
The word which comes on a pattern, it always come on the same pattern, hai na? So why there are
Okay.
three
Yeah.
categories? Because it's just to show us the pronunciation of certain words.
Correct.
That these
Yes.
words are pronounced on fa'ala pattern, these words are pronounced always on fa'ila pattern, and certain words
Yes.
always are pronounced on fa'ula pattern,
Fa'ula.
right? So
Yes.
there is no
Yes.
yani that from one form we can change to other form. No. These are permanent forms. Whatever
Okay.
comes on fa'ala, it's always fa'ala. Is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
Why this is three distribution? Just to make us understand that yes, these words are pronounced in these ways, three ways.
Okay. So, Ms. Rifat, why we made like yaktubu to?
This is also same. It is always yaktubu.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay.
Okay. It is
Okay. So
never
we will
yaktaba.
see the chart, right? We will see the like the table for this, right? Then
Exactly. There might. I'm sorry, I couldn't go next, but there might be.
it's
They might
okay.
have given.
Okay.
They
Okay.
might have given. But I'm introducing it to you right now, right?
Ha ha ha. Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay, Miss. Fine.
So it's not necessary that whatever that central letter is in Madi, haraka, the same haraka will come in Mudare. It's not necessary. But we have to yani go through it. Okay, and we need not to remember by heart, right? Learn by heart, because inshallah with practice we will come to know.
Okay.
So kataba is yaktubu. Okay, and it will always be yaktubu. Daraba is yadribu. Daraba yadribu. It's not yadrabu. It's not. Never it will be like that. Okay.
Okay.
So the two things mainly you need to remember, that first, that a prefix is there. That
Yes.
is
And
ya or ta or alif or noon, and then
yes.
always there is dhamma in the end.
And the second letter will be sukun.
This yani fa kalima.
Yes. Yes. Fa
Now
kalima.
it has become second. Actually, it was
Yeah.
first.
After
After
adding
adding ya.
prefix. Yes.
So we, instead of saying second letter, we will say fa kalima, right?
Fa kalima. Okay. Yes. Sure.
Because that second letter is ta. Because that ya is an addition. This is not the root word of
Correct.
this
Root
word.
word.
So we will not call it
Yes.
second letter because it is first letter, right?
Okay. Yes.
That ya is just an addition. Okay.
Yes.
So this, yani, I told you that this ta will keep changing, right?
Yes.
But there will be no change of meaning. That change is the permanent change. Okay. So
Yes.
like fataha, fataha, he opened. So it is yaftahu. Yani, fortunately, this is the one which takes the same haraka in mudari also. Fataha yaftahu. Okay, Nashmi? I think that's clear. So we can move next. Like shariba. Now see, shariba is on the pattern of fa'ila.
Yes, correct.
Shariba on pattern of fa'ila. Right? But mudare is yashrabu always. Now instead ra is taking kasra in madi, but it's taking fatha in mudare. Okay, so it can go either way.
So we have to remember the words, like, right? We
Yeah.
cannot on our own. Let's put it with the fatha
As
here.
the Arab
And
people use, we have to use in that way only. We can't say yashribu. No, it will be wrong. Okay, as we can't make
Yashrabu
food as
itself, it's
patna.
called like he drinks. Yeah.
But the meaning will be same. Meaning will be same, right? Because you will understand. Okay, this is ya added here, and this is ba carrying a dhamma. So you will understand this is a mudare. Okay.
Okay.
And you will translate it. He drinks, or he is drinking, or he will drink. Either way, you can translate, right?
So Miss Rifat, mostly it comes like prefix ya mostly comes, or all the four?
No, that we will. I'll explain you when we are going to the table, because we have done madi table, no? Table of fi'l madi. So same way there is a table of fi'l mudare. So there I will explain you where ya comes, where ta comes, where ain, alif and noon comes, right? That depends on the sighas. It's not that mostly it is ya. It depends on sighas. Okay. So let me go next, because I believe you just keep reading these.
The content.
They have just explained the table only, and I'll explain you myself. They have explained the table in written form, right? What I'm going to explain you, these all are the explanations of the table.
Yes.
Why they have given in this form, broken one, I don't know. Okay, chalo, let's see this one also. So see, why they have broken, just to make you understand that actual root word was fa ain lam.
Correct.
And it could, ain can take any of the haraka, either yaf'ala, yaf'ilu, yaf'ulu, right?
Correct. Yes.
Acha. Now they are yani they are adding ya here, and they are talking that it's dhamma here. So it may be, because I told you, it can be yaf'ilu, yaf'alu, yaf'ulu, but not necessarily that it will follow the fi'l madhi's harakat, Here also, like we had already seen yashribu. It was carrying ain, like central kalima was carrying kasra, and I told you fataha yaftahu. In that form, it was the fatha, and there is another nasara. Nasara, he helped.
Yes.
And its mudare is yansuru.
Yansuru.
So it is carrying a dhamma. So that's why they have given like that. Okay, just to make you understand. That it can, the ain kalima can carry any of the haraka. Right? So the table is given with this nasara. What is the mudare for this? Yansuru.
Okay.
And if you want, I can explain you. Are you comfortable with this, or I should explain you with as we did fa'ala? So yaf'alu. Are you comfortable with this also? Because I can open Urdu book then, because there it is given with yaf'ulu.
Hmm.
Let me open the Urdu book, because the Arabic will be same, no?
Yes.
Let me open then the Urdu book, because I feel that there it's better. If the class goes little longer, will there be any problem? Are you free? I mean,
Yes, I'm free, ma'am.
No problems.
Khadija, is that fine?
No problem, miss. No problem.
Okay,
We can
okay,
have it.
inshallah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, this is the table of Failul Mudare, right? So they have very clearly, they have, given the, with the different colors. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So now our sample word was fa'ala, right?
Yes. Yes.
Fa'ala, that was our sample. So we added ya here. See, this addition, Nashmi, is given in
Yes.
red color.
Correct. Yes.
Whatever you can see in red, that all is addition, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And
So
the
what is the
sukoon on fa
uh,
kalima, right?
now just it's right and left side difference is there because in English we
Yeah.
start with left side, but here you can see it's in the right side, starting from the right
Yes.
side. So it was fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu. Na, Nashmi?
Yes.
The first
Yes.
three.
Correct.
So it is
Yes.
yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna.
Okay.
Yaf'alu mean he does or he will
Okay.
do. Yaf'alani means they both do, they
Yes.
both will do, right? As an
Yes.
orphan. Yaf'aluna, they
They
all
all.
do or they all will do.
Yes.
And if you, Nashmi, if you try to relate it, it is related to kind of, yani, when we did ism, when we did noun, it was
Yes.
yani qalamun, qalamani, qalamuna. Remember?
Yes. Yes. That's what I found something similarity.
Something similar, yeah. So
Yeah.
it will
Yes. Yes.
resemble ism, nouns. No? So ani sound will be there. So it, alhamdulillah, it's
Yes.
not that difficult if you remember that tasniya and plural in ism, in nouns. Is
Yes.
that clear? So it is
Yes. Yes.
yaf'alu, yaf'alani. So what
Yafalani.
we did, we put alif and noon in the end, and it becomes tasniya, dual. And then
Okay.
yaf'aluna, this wow and noon is the symbol of plural,
Correct. Yes.
and they all are a third person
Yes.
masculine.
Masculine. Yes.
Now let's move to third person feminine. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
second row, that is taf'alu. Instead of yaf'alu, it carries taf'alu. Now we have changed the letter, Nashmi.
Yeah.
You were
Yes. Yes.
asking
For
me mostly,
feminine.
will it ya come? No. So if it is third person singular feminine,
Okay.
then it will be taf'alu. Okay,
Okay.
the rest of the
Yes.
changes are the same.
Okay.
Fa'alu, fa'alani, but here yaf'alna. Now,
Okay.
actually, if you see Nashmi in third person, ya is when we tell the beginners, we say whenever ya comes, you say he. It is a third person. So here also
Yes.
ya, here also ya, second, and in
Yes.
third also ya. In plural feminine also it's ya. Actually,
Yes.
ya is there, but these two are just not cases that they are
Okay.
taking ta. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, ya is a symbol of he, yani third person.
Third person. Okay.
This Monas, the girl being naughty, she is taking
Okay.
this ta. Okay, just remember
Okay.
like that. Why I'm saying so that you can remember simply.
At least some of my girls has taken the quality of being naughty.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 So this ta comes, but it is a she. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Yes.
ya is a symbol of in four. These four you can understand, है ना? Ya,
Yeah.
ya, ya, and
Third
here
person.
also ya.
Yes.
this ya kind of symbol of third person.
Third person.
Yes.
Yes.
But when it's about a girl, she,
Okay.
then it's
Hmm.
take ta. These two,
Ta.
tafalu and tafalani.
Taf'alani. Yes.
When they are all together, then also it's taking ya only.
Okay.
Any question till here? Khadija, Aisha, Nazia?
No, miss, no.
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Miss, this thing is for when the Ain Kalima is in Lamma, is having Lamma, right? It
Yeah,
can
yeah,
be,
yeah.
it will change depending upon the word, right? It can verb.
Exactly. Whatever comes with kasra will always be with kasra. Like I told you, na yashribu. It's always yashrabu, right? Shariba yashrabu. See, I also pronounced it wrong. Yashribu, I said. It's yashrabu. Okay, Khadija?
Yes.
Okay, miss. Yes,
You
miss.
just focus on ya and the last dhamma.
Yeah, yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes. Miss, this same table is there in our textbook also, in our English book also, the last
Fana
page.
table. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the page number 99
But
for
here they have,
English.
written in different colors, hai na? So I feel
Yeah. Yes, this
difference is very
yes.
prominent here.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes. You're correct.
Okay.
Miss Rifat,
Yes.
I did not understand the ya and the. Ya is for male and the is for female, right?
Nashmi, did you understand? If you
Yes.
explain
Yes.
to her. Is it for?
Yes. Yeah. Ya prefix is used basically to show the third person, but there are only two exceptions in feminine, where taf'alu and taf'alani, where these two feminine
third
singular and feminine dual are third person. They are naughty, as Ms. Rifa said. I'll remember this way.
And
Yeah, but the
literally,
other,
because
yeah,
if you keep
all
some
the
these
other four,
code
yes.
words, then you can remember that. It just helps us to remember.
Yes. Otherwise, all four, like ya,
Uh-huh.
generally categorize in third person.
Third person, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Nazia, is that clear?
Yes.
It's not the difference of male and female. It's actually the
Okay.
third person and second person. But yani Monas, she is being naughty, has taken ta. Otherwise, it's ya. It should be ya.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's come to the hadir. Hadir means second person.
Okay.
So basically, I told you ta is for second person, as ya is for third person. So ta is for second person. Okay,
Yes.
so it has to be taf'alu, hai na Nashmi? According to the rule.
Yes.
Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. It's the
Taf'aluna.
same as yafalu. Just we change. If you see, yani third person,
Same. Yes.
same. Just the difference is
Yaf'alu,
ta and
yaf'alani.
ya.
Yes. Okay.
So if we will remember, if it is ya, it means he, and if it is ta, it means you.
She.
You.
You.
Ta is you.
Because it's
Yes.
second person. Tafalu, you are doing or you will do.
Yes.
Okay. Falani, you both will do. Faluna, you all will do or you all do, right? So this
But
is the
ma'am, yes, like if it's feminine, where taf'alu is used,
good question.
and second person taf'alus, how we can make it out? There would be
You
some
will
other
make it
word
out, Nashmi. You will make it out. Don't worry
with
at
the
all.
subject,
Yes, with the subject also. Plus, we read a rule, Nashmi, in Fi'l al-Madi, that when the verb comes in the beginning, it is definitely third person, and it is always
Yes.
fa'ala. So
Correct.
definitely, if it is tafalu and it is in the beginning never second person come. It's always third person.
Correct.
So it will be
Yeah, because
this.
subject is present, right?
Yes.
Then
Okay.
yeah.
So inshallah we will make out. Don't worry at all. Then we'll, okay. You yourself will make out when I'll explain you. Inshallah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tafalu are exactly same. You got the very correct point. They are
Yes.
exactly same. How we will recognize? So inshallah we will recognize through other rules.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So tafalu, tafalani, tafaluna, right? Same. Yafalu, yafalani, yafaluna. Only the difference is ta and ya. And the third, here again, this is some naughty girl, and it's creating a problem. Tafalina, very different.
Okay.
Tafalina, because it was already, because see, if we see this mudhakkar, yani masculine and feminine, third person and second person, there is only ya and ta difference, hai na? Yafalu and tafalu, hai na?
Yes.
Third person and second person for male.
Second person.
Now
Yes.
it already has taken ta. So what she will do now, है ना?
Yes.
So it has to be something different here. So that at least we can recognize third person and second person feminine, है ना?
Yes.
So then it is fa'alina. It is taking in the end one ya and noon extra.
Yes. Yes.
Fa'alina, being naughty again, right?
Yeah, correct.
So taf'alu is the third person. She does or she is doing or she will do. But taf'alina, you are doing singular, okay? And you will do.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Taf'alina.
Yes.
It's little different.
Yes.
And the next are same. Taf'alani, as it was taf'alani here. And here it was yaf'alna. See? Yaf'alna. So here it is taf'alna.
Yeah.
Yaf'alna,
Okay.
taf'alna. Na?
Yes.
Only ta and ya difference. That was for, I told you, third person and second person difference.
Yes.
Yaf'alna, then here it is taf'alna.
Taf'alna. Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Now we have used till now two. Ta and ya
Yes.
only.
Yes.
Now alif and noon is left.
Okay.
And that is used in first person. So
Okay.
af'alu, I do or I will do. So alif is the symbol of first person singular always.
Okay.
Naf'alu is first person plural always.
Okay.
They are
We
used
did.
only once.
We
Okay?
we do. Yeah.
We do. Naf'alu, I do. Naf'alu, we do.
We do.
So
Okay.
mostly are used ta and ya, right?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
they have more sighas and mutakallim has only yani first person and also two, right? So first person
Yes.
singular afalu with alif and first person plural
Yes. It's
naf'alu. We do.
Yes.
So alif and noon is used only once.
Yes.
Ta and ya you can see is coming 12 times.
Yes.
Okay, because there are total 14 words. So one will come with alif, one will come with noon. So ta and ya are coming 12 times here. I hope it's clear, inshallah.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Fat.
Alhamdulillah.
Maybe we will revise,
Yeah,
the
sure,
table
sure.
and
You
like
have to
fa'ala,
practice,
how we
yeah.
did. Yes.
Because it's very important. You will recognize. I will ask you, see on what pattern when we will start reading Quran, right? So I'll ask you, see, try to recognize it. Is it on Faluna pattern? It is on Afalu pattern, Yafalu pattern, Yafaluna pattern, right? We have to remember this pattern and the meaning that if it is Yafaluna, it means they all do, right? If it is Tafaluna, it means you all do. If it is taf'alna pattern, it means you all female do. If it is afalu pattern, it means I do. Okay.
Yes.
So you need
And
to,
Miss,
yes.
Yeah. This present and future also we can make it out then.
Inshallah,
Like,
inshallah, don't worry.
inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay.
There will be many things you can translate in both way, hai na?
Yeah, because the same
Quran is such
word
a book.
and
Yani, what is for future, that is for present also, isn't it?
Yes, that's
Actually,
true.
for Malvi also, like what we have to do now, I have to do in future also the same thing. Many things are like that, you can translate in any way. But there are certain things which are talking about hereafter. So we will definitely translate with future.
Yes, true.
So we will make out, inshallah, don't worry.
Inshallah. So, Ms. Rifat, if you can give some words so we can make this table, like how we practice, right?
As you practice for
two
fa'ala,
words.
you have to practice for fi'l mudari table also, definitely. So they have given here yaf'ilu, like the other tables also on ayn
fa'ilu,
yaf'ilu, yaf'ilani, right? And yaf'ulu, yaf'ulani, because the table will remain same. Ayn kalima's movement will change only, and here.
This is not there in English, right?
Yeah, this is missing in English. Yes. So these are the some pattern on yaf'ilu pattern. They come on yaf'ilu.
Yes.
These are let me go next and tell you these are some words that come on yaf'alu pattern. Yaf'alu pattern.
Yes.
Yaftahu. He open. Yaj'alu. He makes. Yadhabu. He goes. Dhahaba, yadhabu. Remember dhahaba? We have done in English book.
Left,
he left. يذهب,
Yeah.
he leaves.
Leaves.
He went.
Okay. يجمع, he gathers. جمع, he gathered. يعني जमा किया, ना?
Yes, yes.
जमा किया. और يجمع is the مضارع. رفع, يرفع. This is also same. رفع, he
Yes.
raised. يعني जैसे बुलंद करना, ऊंचा करना.
Okay.
It will come that रफع अल्लाहु समावात, for example, कि अल्लाह ताला ने आसमानों को बुलंद किया, ऊंचा किया. रफा मतलब
Okay.
ऊंचा करना, बुलंद करना. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो
Yes.
यरफाउ, he raises high.
Yes.
यक़रअु, قرأ, he read.
Yes.
And
Read.
يقرأ, he reads.
Reads. Yes.
سمع, it was سمع. It was
Yes.
mean carrying a kasra. سمع, he heard.
Yeah.
It is يسمع. He is hearing, or he is listening, or he will listen. Okay? يحفظ, يكره, يسله, يشفع. So these are all coming on the pattern of يفعل. Just write one word from here. You will يجعل. Take this word, note it down. You will make a table with this word. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Everyone note it down. I'll send in the group also. You will make a table of يجعل on يفعل pattern, because يفعل table is there. So just take the pattern from there and make a table with this word. Clear?
Yes. Ms. Rifat, you just said yasma'u, right? From Samia.
Yeah.
So Samia is fa'ila pattern, right?
Yeah. Yes, I told you, no, it's
So-
not necessary.
Okay. So we have to
It will
remember.
take different pattern in
Allah.
Madi and different pattern in
Yes.
Mudari. I told you,
Okay.
you may take it interesting, you may take it confusing.
Yes. Okay.
But it was confusing for me when I learned, but Alhamdulillah, now I'm confident. And inshallah, you will also be confident, inshallah. It's very
Inshallah,
interesting that
inshallah.
it's not necessary. And I'll show you from here that that also fixed definitely. So
But
yeah,
that would have been easy, right?
if it is not changing,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
what to do?
Yes, me. We can say, right?
Okay. So
Okay.
take another word. You will make 3 tables. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I know there is one day only, but it's okay. No problem. You can take Friday also. Yadribu. Second word is yadribu. This one. Okay, you will make it. No, before I gave you, what I yaj'alu gave, na? Ha, yafalu
Yaj, yeah.
pattern. So this is yaf'ilu pattern, right? Yadribu. Okay? And third one you take yaqtulu or yadkhulu, whatever you want. It's okay. Yadkhulu, he enters. Okay? Okay, don't take killing one, just take this one, yadkhulu.
Okay.
Okay? But so you will make 3 tables. And I gave you all 3 patterns.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
This is your homework, inshallah. And
Ma'am, you can put this booklet in, Urdu, sorry, English group, WhatsApp group also.
inshallah.
Yes.
If we don't have table, I think we have, right?
She
Khadija
said we
told
have.
us now.
We have a table, but it's not that detailed. The way it is given over here, it's more better.
It will be easy to see from this to refer, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I want to show you one thing. Just a minute. Yeah, this I want to show you. Nashmi, they have categorized it like that. They have made a table like that. What is this table, Nashmi? That see, these are all Fe'le Madi, the wazn of Fe'le Madi, these all, right?
Yes.
Fataha, daraba, nasara. What you can see the similarity that all carries fatha.
Fatha, yes.
Okay? But look at here. This is fataha yaftahu. This is mudare which carries fatha. This is
Yes.
mudare which carries kasra. This is mudare
Yes.
which carries dhamma.
Okay.
They have categorized it. Fataha yaftahu, daraba yadribu, nasara yansuru. So here all fatha, right? But these all are carrying fatha, kasra, dhamma, sequence wise, right? Here.
Yes, while changing to mudare, yes.
Yeah. And one
We have
more
seen.
thing, I will tell you that in the grammar book, because inshallah now you are a student of grammar, you are a student of Arabic, right? And inshallah, because I'm just giving you basics, you might in future want to consult books by yourself, grammar book or Arabic book, right? Inshallah.
Okay.
I wish so, right? So
Yes,
you will see this symbol like in Nashmi as we consult
Yes.
an English dictionary. So you know
Yeah.
some things are written in the beginning in bracket,
yeah,
like
yeah.
maybe
Correct.
V or N for noun, hai na? To tell us
Yes.
something about that word. Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Same way, if you will consult an Arabic dictionary,
Okay.
these letters will appear.
Okay.
If fa is appearing there, right? There is a word
Yeah.
written, and in bracket it's written fa.
Okay.
What will you understand? You will understand that this is from Bab Fataha. Okay, and
Okay.
it's maybe it's another word, yani, but you will understand this is from Fataha. So Fataha's mudare is yaftahu.
Okay.
You will understand whatever is this word. If you want to make its mudare, you have to give fatha in the mudare also.
Okay.
Just to
Okay.
tell this, okay? So
Okay.
this dharaba, when dod is written, so you will understand that this is from bab dharaba, okay?
Okay.
And whatever mudare will be, it will carry a kasra.
Okay.
So they have given the headings kind of. These are used as the name of the abwabs now.
Okay.
I'll take you back because they have there are examples. Daraba, yadribu, sabara, yasbiru. They have given here also.
Yes.
If you want to go, it is on this page. Abwab sulasi mujarrad. Sulasi, I told you, what does sulasi mean? Sulasi
Sulasi.
mujarrad and rubai mujarrad. Sulasa is 3.
Trilateral,
Yes.
miss.
Trilateral. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So sulasi mujarrad, those words which take only 3 letters. Okay.
Okay.
And when I'm just putting this book now, so this is on page number 98, what I'm explaining you here, because it was just related to our discussion which we made. I thought of taking you here and explaining you this point also. Okay. So this is yani page number
This is
98
very
and it is sorry,
This is
Razia?
very informative, I said.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. So see, now they have categorized it, right? For
Yes.
our convenience. Okay. So there are few words in Madi, they are coming in Fatha, and in Mudare also they are coming in Fatha. I told you, no? It will be a case. So this is Fataha yaftahu, Ba'asa yab'asu, Ja'ala yaj'alu. I just gave you this one, yaj'alu. I just gave you, right? As a homework. Okay. So it's Madi is also Ja'ala. Okay. So now because there will be a lot of yani words which will fall in this category. So they have given it a name. This whole group, they have given a name Fataha.
Okay.
So all words which take Fatha in Madi and Fatha in Mudare, okay, we call it that they are from this group, and the group name is group Fataha.
Okay.
Okay, they have made the name, yani in the grammar world. No, because I told you, whenever you will consult a book, you will see a fa there. You will, what is this fa? Fa means Fataha. Fa means that this word belongs to Fataha group.
Okay.
So this is Fataha is the group name, you can say. Okay, Nashmi, Fataha is group name.
It's a group
and
name,
what
yes.
does it mean? It means that it carries a Fatha in Madi and it carries a Fatha in Mudare as well.
Okay.
I hope it's
It
clear.
will be same. Yes, yes.
So there are lots of examples. Please go through, read them, and it will enhance your vocabulary plus your, you know, because sometimes when it is on our tongue, when we are very comfortable pronouncing these, if we try to pronounce wrong way, our tongue doesn't accept it. Hai na?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So the second group, they have created 6 groups, Nashmi. They have
Okay.
created 6 groups total. Everything comes under that. Second group is Daraba. This is group Daraba.
Yes.
So you will saw a God, right? So what is this group? This group shows that it's Fatha in the Madi, but it's
Yes.
Kasra in
In
Mudare.
the okay.
Daraba yadribu, right?
Although daraba is fataha, right?
In Madi, it's Fatha,
In Madi, yeah.
but in Mudare, it's Kasra. So it is
But
different.
daraba looks like fa'ala.
It is. It is Fa'ala
It is
pattern.
okay. But
It is.
daraba, okay. We have to consider as a separate this, right? Daraba.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Because whenever Dod will be written somewhere, you will understand, okay, in Madi we have to give Fatha, but in Mudare it is Kasra.
Okay.
And make sure that they are not changing the meaning, right? This is just the pronunciation.
Correct.
It's just to help us to pronounce them properly.
Okay.
Okay. So Sabara, Yasbiru, Zalama, Yazlimu, Arafa, Ya'rifu. What does Arafa mean? Recognized, Jan liya.
Okay.
It is from Marifa, Nashmi.
Okay.
Marifa and Nakira. Do you remember what does these words mean? What do these mean? Marifa and Nakira. Nakira is common noun. Marifa is proper noun.
Okay.
Remember? We did when we started with the noun.
We are very beginning, yes.
Very beginning, yeah. When you were maybe 3 days old, baby. In grammar.
Yes.
Okay. So
It's very still, ma'am. I'm really, with Arabic. This it's very difficult. Okay, we say English. Okay, now then I. Although I know I have to remember with Arabic, the
that
grammatical
will help you,
meaning.
inshallah, in many things if you remember the
Yes.
Arabic terms also. Okay,
Yes.
so that is my style, that I just connect the words. So
Yes.
Marifa, because the root word Nashmi in Marifa is also same, Ain Ra Fa. What is here? You can see this word, root word Ain Ra Fa.
Yes.
In Marifa also the root word is same.
Yes.
So Marifa is proper noun. Proper noun, when we say, you recognize. For example, I say Qatar. You recognize which country I'm talking about. But if I say country, which
Common
country?
noun,
You don't
correct.
understand. So
Yes.
Nakira is,
Yes.
country is Nakira, yani common
Okay.
noun.
Yeah.
And Marifa is proper noun.
Proper noun. Yes.
Because you recognize what I'm talking about. You recognize I said
Yes.
Qatar. Qatar is proper
Yes.
noun.
Correct.
In
Yeah.
Arabic it is Marifa.
Okay.
So Arafa
Marifa.
means recognized.
Okay.
I wanted to tell you the meaning of Arafa actually.
I know.
So that you can
Yes.
remember.
To recognize.
So
Yes.
Arafa means remembered. So he remembered or he recognized. It will mean like that.
Okay.
Ya'rifu, he recognizes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is all the group of Daraba, right? God group.
Oh, yes. Yes. Dot.
Okay. Third group is Nasara group. Group Nasara. It's here.
Nasara. Okay.
Group Nasara. This is
It will
also
take
Fa'ala pattern, you
Dhamma,
can
right?
understand, right? But
Yes.
the Mudare is different. Mudare is Yaf'ulu pattern. Yansuru. Okay. So this will be shown as Noon. The first letter of this. First letter of this, right? Noon.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is all the group, right? Qatala yaqtulu, kataba yaktubu. See, that came in English book.
Yes.
Kataba.
Yes.
It's not yaktaba, it's yaktubu.
Tubu. Yes.
Kafara yakfuru, right? That also will be used a lot in yakfuru.
So there are three. There are three: fa, dot, and noon,
three
right?
for fa. If Madi is fa'ala, so there are three different from this.
Okay.
With fa'ala pattern, there are three different mudare.
Yes.
Because I told you there are
Yes.
total 6.
Correct. Yes.
So this is a summary of these all 3. This is the summary of all 3. See, in Madi,
Yes.
this is Fataha, Daraba, Nasara, all on Fa'ala pattern. But
Yes.
in Mudare, it is Yaftahu or Yadribu and Yansuru, all different.
Yeah.
Okay, so they make 3 groups.
Mm-hmm.
So now in Madi, it's changing. Second is Sami'a, Yaf'ila pattern. So this is the group leader, Sami'a. So it will be noted with seen.
Yes.
Sami'a.
Seen.
But now look at Mudari. This is Yasma'u.
Yasma'u. Yes.
Sami'a, Yasma'u, right?
Yes.
Alima, he knew. Ilm ho gaya usko. Alima.
Okay.
This also will be used a lot in the Holy Quran. A lot.
Yes.
Alima, right? Alima Allahu. Allah knew. Right? Alima. But what is Mudari? It's Ya'lamuna. See, so many times you might have read, na? Ya'lamuna.
Yes. Yes.
Hai na?
Yes.
Or Ya'maluna, Amila. They are very different, very close. All the letters are same, but Lam and Mim are replaced. Amila,
Correct.
he did.
Yes.
Any action,
Yes.
amal karna, na? Usne amal kiya. Amila.
Yes.
And Ya'malu, Ya'maluna. वो अमल करते हैं.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Hmm.
So what is the group name? Samia, group Samia. So when it
Okay.
is Samia, you will understand, okay, in Mudare, in Madi, this is Fa'ila pattern, but in Mudare, this is Yaf'alu pattern, right? Samia,
Yes.
Yasma'u.
Correct.
So this is the
Yasma'u.
group name, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fifth group is Hasiba, again with Kasra in Madi, Hasiba, but now again Kasra in Mudare also. Hasiba, Yahsibu.
Okay.
This is fifth group. Warisa, Yurithu, right? And the sixth and the last group is Karuma, Fa'ula pattern, Karuma.
Yes. Yes.
He honored, right? Karuma. Yakrumu. Again, Dhamma in both, right? So
Yes.
from here, they have made these 6. I was showing you this before, right? So Fa, Dod, Noon, Sa, Ha, Kaf. Okay, these are the symbols of different groups. Okay. Anyhow, that's all for today. I'm so sorry I have taken a lot of time.
No, Ms. Ripa, it's okay.
These were the related concepts, so I thought of, covering them together. Is it somebody's alarm ringing?
Yes.
Okay, so that was our actual book. We are back here. It's looking very dull now. It was very colorful.
Yes, Miss, even I feel the same.
Okay.
Please share the Urdu book as well.
Okay, I'll share in the group, inshallah. Okay, so yeah, girls, please, may Allah help you to understand this all, inshallah. And this is the table for Mudare. But right now, don't bother yourself about the abwab, which I just discussed. That was just an extra thing, right? The main focus should be on Failul Mudare, okay, and the table. That's all, inshallah. We'll continue in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.